There is a lot of confusion between packages and libraries in R. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the difference between them in a very simple way.
Hi, welcome to Bioinformatics for All. If it's your first time here and you want to learn R, start by subscribing to my channel so you don't miss anything.
As I explained in my last video, function is a set of instructions created by the user. If you didn't watch my video on how to create function, I put the link in the description. I want you to think a function is like a chapter in a book. So let's go to package. Package is a collection of functions and codes to do specific tasks. So imagine it as a keychain. Each package will have different type of codes and functions, and also will have a description file explain what this package does. So I want you to think a package like a book. Each book will have different chapters. These chapters represent functions. Library is the place of the package you install on your hard drive. So I want you to think it's like a bookshop. So there will be so many packages in your library, but you don't necessarily need to use all of them. Exactly like a bookshop, you will have so many books, you don't need to read all of them. So when you need to read a specific book, you will go find that book in the bookshop, open that book and search for the specific chapter you want. Repositories, they are places where you can find the packages online. Imagine like a house of print. Whenever there is a new book, it will be printed and then distributed. So as a summary, we have repositories, library, package, and function. So if you want to download a specific package, you go to one of the repositories, you download it into your computer, then load that package to R, and then use the function in that package. So there are so many repositories online, but I'm going to mention the most famous one in R. CRAN is the official one. Bioconductor is for the biology packages, and GitHub is famous also not for R, for different programming languages. So how to install a package? We need to use the install packages command and write our package name inside round brackets, and also don't forget the quotation mark. It's very important when you use the install packages. Second option is to go to the packages section on RStudio and press on install. This small screen will pop up, and then you write the name of the package and install. If you want to remove a package, just simply by clicking on the cross button here. To load the package, you need to use the library command and just write your package name. You don't need to use quotation mark here. Or also what you can do is you can open the package section and search for your package, the one you want, and just click on the box. In today's exercise, we will download devtools package. It's the package that make using R easy and simple. So we will first install the devtool package, and then we will load it. For the Windows user, you don't need to worry about R tools if you get warning. Next video I'm explaining how to install R tools. So in this exercise, you will install and load devtools package. So what you need to do first, you need to install the package by using the install packages command, and then load it by using the library command. Other option is to go to packages here and press on the install and write devtools here and install it. For installation, it will take a few minutes. After installing devtools, if you go to this box here and write devtools, and you can see here it's already in my library. You can do it by using the library command, or simply by just pressing here, and it will immediately load the library. So now we know that devtools is in our library and is also loaded in RStudio. If you want to unload any package, you can simply use this command and write the package name here, or by just uncheck the box here, and as you can see, immediately is unloaded. So after downloading devtools package, you'll be able to use the install packages not for CRAN, also for Bioconductor and for GitHub. So don't worry about this right now. When we come to the time that we need to use a specific package, I'll explain it more. So in today's video, you learned the different type of repositories, CRAN, GitHub, and Bioconductor. First, what we need to do is you need to install the package to your hard drive. It's called library. Then, if you want to use a specific package, you load that package to R by using the library command, and then using function inside the package to do your analysis and get your result. So next video, I'm going to show you how to install R tools, and after that we will continue normally with our R series videos.